Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to the Little Village house renovation. So this week we're gonna keep working here on the utility room, storage room. So I got this wall almost ready to plasterboard. Just need to reinforce it a little bit more for the hot water tank, which I already bought it. So yeah, that's it. And then the ceiling, I'm gonna start working on the ceiling today, but first I need to do the clear up on the room. So yeah, let's start the week, guys. Good morning, guys. Before we keep working, I need to show you something very exciting. Come with me. Yes, guys, this house have water now, and I think it's the first time having water for a very long time. So this house was abandoned more than 50 years ago. So yeah, this is very exciting for me, and well, I can't really try everywhere. I've been trying the toilet and the cold water in the shower, but all the hot waters I can't try it yet because I don't have installed the hot water tank. So hopefully in the next weeks I'm gonna be trying all the pipes and see if there is any leak, but for the moment there is any leak, so pretty happy about this. Now yes, I can keep working and yeah, install some plasterboards on the ceiling. Good morning, guys. So this wall is done, looking good. Before we keep working on the walls behind there, I would like to do the electrics because, well, I could install this plasterboard, but before closing this wall I need to make sure there is any leak, and before that, yeah, I need to work a bit more on the plumbing the future days. So I'm gonna leave this like this for now. So yeah, today I'm gonna work on the electrics, which is gonna take me probably all the day. So let's start. Well guys, that's it for today. Basically I did almost finish the panel. I ran out of a few pieces to finish the panel, but I got electrics on this room. As you can see, the lights are on. And then to finish the whole house, I just need a few things to finish it. Up there I got the fiber optic cables for the future, and here with the waters, well, the hot water tank is going to be here, so I will try to check all the waters if there is any leak before closing with the plasterboard. Not sure when I'm going to do that, but anyway, I will see you tomorrow in the morning. So the electrics are done, everything is done in here. I need to be installing the compter in here, but that's not me that is going to be doing that. That's the electricity company, which is going to do that hopefully soon. But yeah, for the moment I'm still using the solar energy. And well, I spent the whole day working on the waters, trying to see if there is any leak. For the moment there is any leak. So yeah, basically what I did is I connect both of these pipes together. Here is going to be the hot water tank, so that's kind of imitating the hot water tank, just to see if there is any leak on the hot water system. And yeah, basically, well, here I have a pipe. Then, well, I don't have any leak in here, and I don't have any leak anywhere. So this toilet is now working. There's any leak in here. No leak in there, so yeah, it's not working. So I'm gonna leave that wall still a few days more to see if there is any leak in the future, who knows, but I think I'm fine. I'm ready to be closing that very soon and installing the hot water tank, and yeah, keep working on the garage. So I don't have much time more today. I'm gonna keep working a little bit more on the garage, let's see where I can get, and then I'm gonna see you next week. Okay guys, that's it for this week. This wall is gonna come next week, hopefully this one also. At this moment I'm thinking about lots of little things, the waters, the electrics, the central heater also. I'm thinking about that. I'm gonna install in the near future. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If it's like that, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye bye.